Hello, everyone. I'm Marshanae Matthews, and I'm here to tell you about the tips of effective listening. Why is effective listening important? I believe effective listening is important because it is an essential that we need in our everyday lives to help us understand others. Effective listening is a process that can be broken up into five distinct stages, which are receiving, understanding, remembering, evaluating, and responding. The five stages of effective listening are broken down as receiving, which is the act of absorbing the information being expressed to you, whether verbally or non verbally. Understanding, it takes place after the information is received and begins to process its meaning. Remembering is how you retain the information that is being expressed to you that has traveled from your short time memory into your long time memory. Evaluating is the process after the information has been absorbed, processed, and remembered, and the information is sorted into pieces, getting ready for the response. And then the responding process is putting together the speaker's most important points and surrounding their words. These two images I chose because I believe they demonstrated effective listening. Benefits and examples of effective listening. The benefits of effective listening are it builds deep trust, which is the number one priority when understanding others and others coming to you wanting to talk to you. It broadens your perspective. It strengthens your patience, which I believe everybody needs. It makes you approachable, making other people want to come talk to you. Increases competence and knowledge. It saves time and money, and it helps detect and solves problems. Some examples of effective listening are asking open-ended questions, brief verbal affirmations, asking specific questions, relating with certain situations, which I believe will help the other person feel comfortable opening up about what is going on in their lives. Then summarize questions. The 10 tips of effective listening are letting others tell their story first, listen first and talk later, fight off distractions, listen for main points, react to the message and not the person, use feedback, try not to be critical or judgmental, either mentally or verbally, listen attentively, creating a positive listening environment, asking questions. In conclusion, not long enough. It's making me mad.